Ratios are great because we can use them to compare one ratio to another ratio and get a sense as to what might be, well, a better deal. Let's take a look at an example. So a phone company charges $30 for 400 minutes of usage or $50 for 750 minutes. The question is, which is a better buy? Well, we can figure this out by computing the ratios. So the first ratio, if we see how many dollars we have per minute, we see we're paying $30 per 400 minutes. And we can actually sort of work this through and use a calculator and see that this ratio is approximately 0.075, and that's dollars per minute. So about, well, 8 cents a minute. What about the other plan? Well, that's $50 we pay for 750 minutes. And if we look at this on a calculator, we see 0.0667 dollars per minute, which means a little over 6.5 cents per minute, which is the better deal if you're actually going to talk on the phone a lot. If you're going to talk on the phone a lot, then it turns out that this is slightly a better deal. You're paying about a penny less per minute, and so in fact, this might be the plan to consider. Again, comparing ratios is a powerful way to figure out if we have a proportion, and if we don't have a proportion, which ratio is larger. Let's take a look at one last example together so we can sort of see this in action. Let's now turn to the gym. So April can get a 6-month gym membership for $200 or a 9-month membership for $275. The question is, which is the better deal? Well, we can actually work out a ratio. This is one way of doing it. $200 for 6 months. This works out to be $33.33 approximately per month. Okay, that's not bad. What about the alternative where April pays $275 and she can stay for all of 9 months? Well, this works out on a calculator to $30.55 per month here. Per month. Yeah, can you imagine spending $33 per minute at a gym? Wow, you'd have to be like, Bill Gates to afford that. Anyway, it's per month. Whereas the 9-month plan is actually $30.55 per month. So if you're going to actually hang it out and stay with it and work out and get in really good shape, this is a better deal. April might want to take that. On the other hand, if April might believe that she's going to sort of conk out after a couple of months, then maybe, in fact, it might be better to go with the 6-month plan. So there's lots of things to consider when you're making these decisions. But if April's going to be dedicated and go through the whole time, no matter what plan she selects, then the better deal is plainly the 9-month deal, and she saves about $3 per month. Not bad. Ratios come to the rescue, not only in our math classes, but even when we work out in the gym. Who would have thunk it? I'll see you soon.